fade. Good. What's good? Let's get faded. So, I'm with my cousins. We out at this is one of my favorite spots. Just look around, like it's so peaceful here. Like all you hear is the water just so peaceful. So I just wanted to vlog a little bit to tell y'all where I was at. I'm with my cousin, with my family. Y'all can see that's Tiffany right there. She
behind the camera.
Get it. Follow her. Anyway, my cousin Johnny. Y'all, what up? So, we here, we finna vibe out a little bit, and we'll be back to show y'all, you know, a little bit more, a little something.
Sound upgrade.
Look at this. It's crazy. Y'all, look, I gotta plug it in so y'all can see. This is one of my favorite places to be at. Y'all gotta look. If y'all in Atlanta, y'all gotta come check it out. Y'all gotta come check this out if y'all enjoyed it. It's called Roswell Mills, G. Aww. Y'all gotta check it out though. We're gonna go a little further up and I'm gonna show y'all like where we all go. Like we finna hike these little stairs right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but we going up. This ain't even the top. Like you can't even see the top. Like so this is where we at with it. Y'all gotta come here and check it out. This is a vibe though. Like y'all, if y'all like vibes like me, y'all definitely gotta come check this place out. It's so peaceful. It's just so much tranquility here. Yeah, let's get it. Hey, look, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all gotta be prepared. Y'all gotta get y'all legs prepared to climb up these little stairs. They ain't no little stairs. It's about 1, 2, 3, about 4 flights. And my legs kind of getting weak. I ain't gonna cap. But it's a vibe. Look at Johnny. He a little lagging behind. All right, so this the trail we gonna walk. We gonna take it up this way. And then I'm gonna be again. Yeah, them steps is stepping. Hey, but I'm gonna check back in with y'all when we get to the end. Cause we trying to make it to the waterfall and trying to see a little something. So I'm gonna check back in. Yeet. Look at this, y'all. Oh. Good luck. I just had to check in and show you my little friend that we walk past.
What if a big ass spider came out and killed them?
I don't think he appreciate us walking through his little town, but we finna get up out of here, bro. Look at this, y'all. We gotta go all the way down here. But we're a little bit closer to the waterfall though, which is what we came here for. Look at that. Yeah! We right here. Yes, sir. Hold on, wait, let me let y'all see. Yes, sirski. We made it to the waterfall. We're gonna get a little closer so we could chillax and, you know, just vibe out real quick. Man, look, y'all have to come to this spot, G. This is my favorite spot, so don't be surprised if you see me up here just chilling and manifesting some greatness and, you know, meditating. Yeah, this lit. We finna get faded at the waterfall. ready to get faded at the waterfall, cuzzo?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, y'all.
Cuzzo, you getting faded at the waterfall? And she gonna come with the gunk. That's just used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Hey. No. You gotta put the T-bars in. Y'all look, we didn't finally made it. This is literally peace and tranquility. It's peaceful, amazing. Look. Ooh. Y'all dare me to sit on that joint right there? Should I sit on that? Oh, somebody got a cover down there? Right. It's too lit. I low-key kind of want to go down a little bit more. But we're going to have to crawl back up. Eee, I'm off the cliff. I'm going to fall off the cliff. Oh, this man going all the way down there. He say, I'm down here.
Can you swim?
Man, I low-key want to go down there. Y'all think I should go down there? She's scared. She's scared.
Yeah, it's rock.
Hey, this is beautiful though. No cap. It's beautiful. You can see the little mist. You see the little mist right there? It looks like smoke bouncing off the right. Yo, what's up, YouTube? I just wanted to hop on and tell y'all thanks so much for tuning in to my last video. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel. Thanks so much for the outpouring of love, the continuous love on my channel, and thanks so much for those of you who sent Baby Boy Rise, you know, your love with gifts off the registry. I will be posting that link below again so that, you know, give other people an opportunity to shower him with some love. Today is the baby shower, as a matter of fact, so we're going to be hopping on, showing y'all a little bit of that, what's going on in here. Won't be nothing big, you know, just something small with a couple of close friends and family members, you feel me? So, you know, I'm gonna definitely let y'all in on that, though, and show y'all what Rise got. All right, man, y'all, thanks so much for tuning in to my channel. Again, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload. Peace.
Put me in the fridge, get coat seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to get geek, drink a whole